native dogs and an exclusive show just for them.
At this dog show, there were no pedigree dogs with gleaming coats costing thousands of rupees. This was a dog show just for number dogs, or in layman terms, the Indian native dogs that one is so used to seeing on the streets. A team of Indian dog lovers felt that it was about time that the dogs received the much needed and deserved care, love and acceptance in society, which was why they organized Blue Cross of India's Great Indian Dog Show.
We do a lot of conventional stereotyping that, they're not a pedigree or they're not a particular breed. And most dog shows don't even have an entry. They don't even recognize the Indian native breed. So that's the reason why we have our own exclusive Great Indian Dog Show, to have families who've actually chosen to adopt instead of buying their pet, who've rescued from the street, who've rescued from abusers, and such beautiful stories come together today.
The event saw quite a lot of unique competitions like the dog with the waggiest tail, the friendliest dog, the serial kisser, or the dog who licks its owner the most, and so on. Food stalls and pet accessory stalls were also set up along with stalls of other NGOs showcasing their cause and disseminating information. More than 85 dogs and their pet parents participated in the event, showing that it was indeed a big hit with Bengalurians who truly understood the concept and the cause.
I think this is a fantastic concept. I participated in this competition last year as well, and it's but natural that I'll participate this year. So I think it's a perfect setting for an Indian dog. I think they've done a fantastic job in creating awareness. The amount of media coverage that they've received to also ensure that more than 80 participants have registered itself is an achievement of sorts.
Every dog had its day at the Great Indian Dog Show, as this was held exclusively for them. One can only hope that more initiatives like this will come up in the future in order to give our Indian dogs the love they rightfully deserve. Shruti Rao, News 9, Bengaluru.
That's a wrap on this.